Hey, in this video, I will show you how to actually add music to Instagram Reel videos on any iPhone and on any Android device. But before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, which is hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100K by the end of this year. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around this video, or if you want us to cover another video, just let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So what you want to do is actually open up your Instagram profile, and then from there you want to go to the plus icon at the top, click on Reels. From there you want to record any reel that you would want, for example, and it has to be at least 3 seconds. So just record a little bit of my device, and all you gotta do is just click on, when it finishes, on the music option at the top left corner at where the toolbar is. Click here, then you can select from a bunch of songs. When you do, maybe it's you are wanting to select a particular song. For that, you can just use the search bar on top. If it's one of the For You songs, it's very easy. All you gotta do is just click on any song, and then after you select it, for example, here we have Vacation, Journey, Moon, Oh No, and some other songs that are trending right now. And it's actually a good idea to use trending songs. If you like a particular song, just click on it, select it, and then you can select which duration of it you want to add. Just click on done, and that's all you have to do. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. You can give us a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot. We're actually uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you're one of the committed people that managed to watch all the way until the end, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next video.